Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Sophia. How are you today, Mark?
I'm great, Sophia. I'm a little hungry, though.
Me too. Perfect timing for today's lesson.
Before we start, please download the free lesson for this episode. You can find the link below this video.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find our podcast and learn English with us.
Also, click the like button and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, so today we're talking about ordering at a restaurant.
Exactly. This is super useful. You can use this language every day when you go to a restaurant or a cafe.
That's right. We'll learn how to ask for food, how to order drinks, and how to be polite when you talk to the waiter.
Let's start with the basics. When you arrive at a restaurant, the waiter usually says hello and asks you a question.
Yes, the waiter might say, "Can I help you?" or "Are you ready to order?"
Good. And what do you say?
You can say, "Yes, please." That's polite and simple.
Perfect. Let's practice. Sophia, can I help you?
Yes, please.
Great. Now you try. I'll ask again. Can I help you? Say your answer. Out loud, yes, please.
Excellent. Okay, now let's learn how to order food.
When you want to order something, you can say, I'd like, and then the food.
I'd like means I want, but it's more polite.
Exactly. For example, I'd like a pizza.
I'd like a salad.
You can also say, can I have, and then the food. Can I have a burger?
Can I have some pasta?
Both are good. I'd like and can I have are both polite.
Let's practice. Mark, what would you like?
I'd like a sandwich.
Nice. And what else?
Can I have some water, please?
Perfect. Now you try. What would you like? Think about your favorite food. Say it out loud. I'd like, and then your food.
Good job. Now let's talk about drinks.
Yes, drinks are important. When the waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?" you can answer with your drink.
For example, I'd like some water.
I'd like some juice.
Can I have a coffee?
Can I have some tea?
Notice we say some with water, juice, tea, and coffee. Some water, some juice.
That's right. But with a coffee or a tea, you can also say a coffee, a tea.
Both are correct. Let's practice. Sophia, what would you like to drink?
I'd like some orange juice, please.
Great. Now you try. What would you like to drink? Say your answer out loud. I'd like some, and then your drink.
Wonderful. Now let's learn some common food words you'll see at a restaurant.
Okay, let's start with main dishes. That's the big food you eat for lunch or dinner.
Pizza. That's a very popular dish.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Salad. A salad is healthy.
Sandwich. A sandwich is quick and easy.
Chicken. You can order chicken with rice or vegetables.
Fish. Some people love fish.
Steak. That's meat from a cow. It's usually expensive.
Good. Now let's talk about side dishes. Those are small dishes you eat with your main dish.
Fries, also called French fries.
Rice. Rice is very common.
Vegetables, like carrots, broccoli, or beans.
Soup. Soup is warm and good when it's cold outside.
Bread. Many restaurants give you bread before your meal.
Exactly. Now let's practice. Mark, what's your favorite main dish?
I love pasta. What about you, Sophia?
I like chicken with vegetables.
Nice. Now you try. What's your favorite main dish? Say it out loud. My favorite is, and then the food.
Great. Now let's learn about desserts. Dessert is the sweet food you eat after your meal.
Cake. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet.
Pie. Apple pie is very popular.
Cookies. Some restaurants have fresh cookies.
Fruit. Sometimes fruit is the dessert. Let's practice. Mark, would you like some dessert?
Yes, please. I'd like some chocolate cake.
Yum. Now you try. Would you like some dessert? Answer out loud. Yes, please. I'd like... some, and then your dessert.
Excellent! Now let's learn how to ask questions at a restaurant.
Good idea. Sometimes you need to ask the waiter questions.
If you want to see the food choices, you ask, "Can I see the menu, please?"
The menu is the list of food and drinks at the restaurant.
Right. "Can I see the menu, please?"
Very polite. Another question is, what do you recommend?
Recommend means what do you think is good?
Exactly. What do you recommend?
The waiter might say, "I recommend the pasta," or "The fish is very good today."
Perfect. Another important question is, how much is this?
That's when you want to know the price.
Yes. How much is the pizza?
How much is the salad?
Let's practice. Mark, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken. It's delicious.
Sounds good. How much is the chicken?
It's $15.
Perfect. Now you try. Ask me, what do you recommend? Say it out loud. I'd like a with no, please.
Great. Now let's talk about special requests.
Yes, sometimes you want to change something about your food.
For example, maybe you don't want onions on your burger.
You can say, no onions, please.
Or maybe you want extra cheese.
You can say, extra cheese, please.
Can I have a burger with no onions, please?
I'd like a pizza with extra cheese, please.
You can also ask, can I have it without tomatoes? Without means no tomatoes.
Right. Can I have the salad without cucumbers?
Let's practice. Sophia, what would you like?
I'd like a sandwich with no lettuce, please.
No problem. Now you try. Order something and say no to one ingredient. Say it out loud. I'd like a with no, please.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to ask for the bill.
The bill is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
At the end of your meal, you say, can I have the bill, please?
Or you can say, the bill, please. That's shorter.
Both are polite. Can I have the bill, please?
The bill, please.
Sometimes you want to pay with a card, not cash.
Cash is paper money. A card is a credit card or debit card.
You can ask, can I pay by card?
Or, do you accept cards?
Let's practice. Mark, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Perfect. Now you try. Ask for the bill. Say it out loud. Can I have the bill, please?
Great job. Now let's put it all together with a story.
Good idea. I'll tell you about my dinner last night. Listen carefully.
Okay.
Last night, I went to a restaurant with my friend. The waiter said, can I help you? I said, yes, please. Can I see the menu?
Good start.
The waiter gave me the menu. I looked at the food. Then I said, I'd like the chicken with rice, please.
Nice choice.
My friend said, can I have the fish with vegetables? The waiter asked, what would you like to drink?
What did you order?
I said, I'd like some water, please. My friend said, can I have some juice?
Sounds good.
After we finished eating, I said, can I have the bill, please? The waiter brought the bill. I asked, can I pay by card? The waiter said, yes, of course.
Perfect. Sophia used all the phrases we learned today.
Exactly. She ordered food, ordered drinks, and asked for the bill.
And she was very polite.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Great idea. First, when you arrive, the waiter asks, can I help you? You say, yes, please.
To order food, you say, I'd like, or can I have, and then the food. I'd like a pizza. Can I have a burger?
For drinks, you say, I'd like some water, or can I have some juice?
We learned food words. Main dishes like pizza, pasta, burger, salad, sandwich, chicken, fish, and steak.
Side dishes like fries, rice, vegetables, soup, and bread.
And desserts like cake, ice cream, pie, cookies, and fruit.
To ask questions, you say, Can I see the menu, please? Or what do you recommend?
For special requests, you say, "No onions, please," or "Extra cheese, please," or "Can I have it without tomatoes?"
At the end, you ask, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or just, "The bill, please."
And to pay, you ask, "Can I pay by card?"
Remember, always say please and thank you. That's very important.
Exactly. Being polite makes everyone happy.
Now let's practice. We have a question for you.
Yes, here's your question of the day. Imagine you're at a restaurant. What would you like to order?
Write your answer in the comments. Use the phrases we learned today.
Here are some sentence frames to help you. You can say, "I'd like," and then your food.
Or, can I have, and then your food and drink.
For example, "I'd like a pizza and some water."
Or, can I have a burger with fries and some juice?
You can also add a dessert. "I'd like chicken with rice, some tea, and ice cream for dessert."
We want to read your answers. Write in the comments below.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. The important thing is to practice.
Every time you practice, you get better.
So don't be afraid to speak English and write English.
Before we go, please download the free lesson for this episode. The link is below this video.
And please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell so you get notifications when we post new episodes.
Like this video and share it with your friends. It really helps us.
Also, write in the comments what topic you want to learn next. We read all your comments.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's do one more quick practice before we finish.
Good idea. Let's do a full restaurant conversation together.
I'll be the waiter and Mark will be the customer.
Perfect. Let's start.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the pasta, please.
Great choice. What would you like to drink?
Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Later, here's your pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
Even later, would you like some dessert?
Yes, please. Can I have some chocolate cake?
Excellent. I'll bring it right away.
After dessert, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Did you hear all the phrases we used?
Yes. Mark ordered food, ordered a drink, ordered dessert, and asked for the bill.
And he was very polite. He said please and thank you many times.
Now you try. Practice this conversation with a friend, or practice alone.
You can change the food and drinks. Use your favorites.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. Soon you'll feel confident ordering at any restaurant.
Remember, you can do this. We believe in you.
Keep practicing every day, even just a little bit.
And don't forget to write your answer in the comments. What would you like to order at a restaurant?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you again for watching and learning with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.